Hey guys, so we're going to start a renovation together, and we're really excited that you've chosen Little Star to embark on this journey. Whether it's a small bathroom or a really large reno, it's kind of like a roller coaster ride. You're paid your money, you're standing there waiting for the roller coaster ride to come in, you've got anticipation, you're a little bit nervous, and you know full well there's going to be moments that are going to be scary. Renovations at times can be scary, but it's safe. You're in safe hands. We do this all the time. We're going to get you to the end, and you're going to be so happy you did it. You'll be so proud that you embarked on the adventure. But we just want to say we're excited to get started. It's going to be great to see the transformation in your home. So I'll see you on site soon. I'm really looking forward to it. Take care.